So welcome to the H-Files 5 in 5. This is the feature where we're going to be serving up the juiciest morsels of wisdom from the H-Files. I'll be endeavouring to do 5 key takeaways in 5 minutes, hence 5 in 5. So this is perfect for when you want all the insights, but you only have time for the highlights. So sit back, relax, and let us deliver the best bits, no fluff, all flavour. On the last episode of the H-Files, I had the pleasure of sitting down with Nigel Theobald, CEO and founder of N4 Pharma, and he spent the last decade building a biotech platform designed to solve one of the biggest problems in RNA therapeutics delivery. Here's what he's learned on that long road from concept to commercial, and more importantly, what you can do with what he's learned. So takeaway number 1, resilience is nothing without purpose. If you don't have a deep desire to see your products improve lives, you won't make it through the lows that are inevitably going to come, because biotech is brutal. And what kept Nigel going? A clear mission, belief in the science, and the desire to see Nuvec, his product, make a difference. So the action point here for you to take away is write your product's purpose in one sentence, stick it on your wall, make sure that you and your team and your investors know it by heart. Takeaway number 2, you can't bootstrap biotech. Now, unless you've got a spare 30 to 50 million lying around, you're going to need serious funding partners. This isn't a SaaS platform. You're not hacking together code. You're building trust with regulators, clinicians, and investors. So the action point is to map out your journey, your capital journey, including seed, grants, strategic investors, and don't wait until you need money to start to build those relationships. You need to do it now. Takeaway number 3, your biggest edge, adaptability. COVID crushed the DNA vaccine space, but it opened doors for RNA. Nigel's team pivoted during that period from DNA delivery to RNA, and they did it rapidly. That flexibility didn't just save them, it repositioned them completely. And the action point here is to revisit your strategy every quarter. Ask yourself, if the market shifted tomorrow, would we even notice? But more importantly, could we respond? Takeaway number 4, communication builds investor trust. It's not just about reporting success. You have to explain whatever delays you may have, because you're going to have them. You have to explain clearly why you've pivoted and also your learning moments. Whether the company is listed or private, trust comes from clarity. So action point, set a regular investor update rhythm. Don't just share wins, explain your lessons, explain your changes and what they mean for progress of the business. And then takeaway number 5, don't obsess over competitors. Biotech moves very, very rapidly. Today's competitors may well be gone next year. So stay close to your science, stay close to your market, focus on what you can control, because your focus needs to be on execution, not comparison. So the action point here is list your 3 biggest execution risks this week and focus on solving them, not monitoring others, because momentum beats monitoring. And there be 5 in 5. Thank you very much for tuning in to 5 in 5. If you enjoyed this episode, then share it with someone who could use these insights and also direct them to the full episode. Don't forget to subscribe and join me next time for more practical wisdom in just 5 minutes. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep making an impact.